Johnson & Johnson has begun shipping nearly 4 million doses of its newly authorized COVID vaccine across the U.S. And this is now the third vaccine to receive emergency authorization in the U.S. As ABC 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala explains, this vaccine could make it a lot easier for San Diegans to get vaccinated.
In addition to Pfizer and Moderna, San Diego County will soon have Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine available.
I'm very excited about the vaccine.
The vaccine received emergency use authorization by the FDA over the weekend. Dr. Will Sang, who has been on the front lines working with COVID-19 patients, is one of the leaders of Kaiser Permanente's vaccine team. He says this could be a game changer in San Diego for multiple reasons.
You no longer need to have what's called a cold chain storage, where every step of the way, it needs to be at a certain temperature.
The Johnson & Johnson vaccine can be stored in a normal refrigerator. It's also given in a single dose. While logistics are still being discussed, Sang says having this vaccine available could make it much easier to get vaccinated at your doctor's office.
Every single office, every single clinics that have a refrigerator can be a point, a source where anybody can get vaccinated.
He says this could also be the answer to vaccinating homebound patients in a more efficient way.
This will allow us to vaccinate anywhere.
While the county still doesn't know when shipments will arrive locally, Governor Gavin Newsom says California expects more than 300,000 doses as early as this week. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine has a 72% efficacy rate in the U.S., which is lower than Pfizer and Moderna, but Sang says the vaccine has proven to be successful in preventing severe illness and death, which is what doctors are striving for.
It's 85% overall protective against severe disease or hospitalizations or death. And when you wait a little longer, meaning up to 49 days, it's 100% protective against dying or being in a hospital.
Mimi Alcala, ABC 10 News.
Medical experts across the nation are urging people to get any one of the 3 vaccines once they are available to them. And experts say the Johnson & Johnson vaccine was also tested against the South African strain and was effective in preventing severe illness and death.